In this video, you'll learn how hyperparameter tuning unlocks the full potential of machine learning models. Default settings often lead to inaccurate predictions. Let's see why hyperparameter tuning is crucial. Hyperparameter tuning unlocks a model's full potential, leading to state-of-the-art accuracy and better results. Tuning significantly improves real-world applications like image recognition, medical diagnosis, and even fraud detection.
Think of the learning rate as the model's pace of learning. It controls weight adjustments.
Regularization, using L1 or L2, prevents overfitting by penalizing overly complex models. GridSearch systematically explores hyperparameter combinations to pinpoint the best performer. This code snippet demonstrates GridSearch and cross-validation using scikit-learn in Python. Tuning significantly boosts accuracy, leading to better model performance and more reliable predictions. Tuning improves generalization, reducing overfitting and boosting performance on new, unseen data. Hyperparameter tuning is like fine-tuning a musical instrument to achieve the perfect sound.
By tuning the learning rate and regularization, you can significantly improve image classification accuracy.
Tuning also optimizes for efficiency and scalability, making models faster and more efficient. Master hyperparameter tuning to unlock your model's full potential and achieve peak performance.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.